Artificial intelligence is quietly starting to transform our hospitals and our labs. So today, we're going to dive into how this technology isn't just some far-off idea for the future, but a really powerful tool that's already changing healthcare, like right now.
So, let's just jump right in with a pretty mind-blowing question. Could you imagine a diagnostic tool that's so powerful it could spot the absolute earliest, most subtle signs of a disease, maybe even before a human expert could? Well, this isn't science fiction anymore. It's the reality that's taking shape in medicine today.
So where is all this change happening first? Well, a huge area is in diagnostics. And you've got to think of AI less as a replacement for your doctor and more like an incredibly powerful second opinion that's available almost instantly.
And here's the real advantage AI brings to the table. Of course, a human specialist provides that invaluable expert analysis. But machine learning algorithms, they can process just mountains of data with incredible speed. And get this, in some studies, these AI systems have actually shown they can detect those really subtle early signs of disease in medical images even faster than their human counterparts.
And its application is just incredibly broad. We're talking about AI systems analyzing complex images like X-rays and MRIs with, remarkable accuracy, but it goes way beyond just images. By scanning a patient's electronic health records, these systems can estimate risk factors and even forecast potential complications down the line. That is a huge shift, right? It allows for preventive treatment instead of just reacting to emergencies.
But it doesn't just stop at diagnosis. Not at all. AI is also making its mark in the operating room and in the lab, helping to make surgeries safer and dramatically speeding up the search for new cures.
Okay, so in the world of surgery, AI-powered robotic systems are an absolute game changer. They basically act as this super steady, precise extension of a surgeon's own hands, enhancing precision to an incredible degree. And that level of accuracy, well, it helps reduce human error, which leads to safer procedures and, of course, better outcomes for the patient.
And then you've got drug discovery, a process that has, forever, taken years, sometimes even decades. AI is completely transforming this by predicting how different molecules are going to interact. This lets researchers just focus on the most promising candidates from the get-go. This accelerates the whole research timeline and, at the end of the day, gets new, life-saving drugs to the people who need them way, way faster.
Now, all this talk of advanced tech, it naturally brings up a big question, right? Are we heading towards a future without doctors? Well, the answer is a resounding no. And it's so important to understand the role of the human expert in this whole new landscape.
Here's the crucial point, and it comes directly from our source material. AI is not designed to replace physicians. Its real purpose is to function as a powerful decision support tool, something that boosts a doctor's skills, not makes them obsolete.
And here's why. A machine can analyze data, sure, but it can't replicate these uniquely human qualities. A doctor provides empathy and compassionate care. They have to navigate really complex ethical dilemmas, and they exercise what's called clinical judgment, a nuanced skill that's built over years and years of experience. These things, they're the very soul of medicine. So, if AI isn't a replacement, then what does the future actually look like? Well, it looks like a partnership. It's this powerful collaboration between human expertise and artificial intelligence that's creating a whole new vision for the future of medicine. And this is what's being called the hybrid model. It's pretty simple, really. In this model, intelligent systems do what they do best, boost the speed and accuracy of diagnostics. And meanwhile, doctors do what they do best. They maintain the ultimate responsibility, they make the final call, and they provide that essential human-patient care. It really is the best of both worlds, all working together. And this brings us to our final thought. As this technology just keeps getting better and better, what do you think the next frontier is going to be for this powerful doctor-AI partnership? What kind of incredible advancements are just around the corner? It's a really exciting future to think about, and it's one that's probably arriving even faster than we think. Thanks so much for joining this explainer.